Bale, kakatapos lang ng work ko.
Pagod ako kaya nakapunod ang noo.
Pauwi na ako kaya lang biglang umulan. See, we're stranded. We're stranded here. Hi. Hi, so kalalabas ko lang sa work at nag-down na muna ako. Nakaka-boring umuwi kaya sabi ko mag-ano muna ako, this Sunday mamasyal muna ako. Gusto niyo ako samahan? What do you think? Gusto niyo ako samahan? I had a bad day today. Nagkaroon ako ng mga problema, which is normal lang naman. Magka-problema kayo dahil sa restaurant, ang daming conflicts. Napakaraming issue sa restaurant. Kaya ang hinahire nila is mga actors and actresses. Actors na rin ang tawag sa kanila generally. Kasi they can easily maneuver and navigate their way through any type of situation, you know, that requires their acting skills. So I learned a lot from them. I talked to them about their server problems, which for me, I told them my case, that is, I'm not even a server, I'm just a server assistant. So but sometimes I would be imputed or thought of a server, and then of course there will be expectations, high expectations about being a server, and those kinds of situations, managing expectations it's not really my cup of tea. That's why I still prefer to be a server assistant. You know, besides, we're a nice restaurant, and I don't want to really get into the details right now, but I don't really want to get into the nitty-gritty and all of those topics involving server problems. I'll talk about maybe another day, but because I'm kind of having a bad mood for all that happened this day, I think I'll just go out and check out the city. You know, go around, maybe bike around to take all of the blues. Forget it for the meantime. Okay? Samahan niyo ako. Go. Chinese. That's the corner. I like that street. I know, I only like the name of the street. It's one of the busiest spots in Manhattan. It's called Times Square or Bryant Park. So that's why there are a lot of tourists here checking it out, you know, all day long. Amazing. Well, you know, I get to see this every day, so what do you know? See, that's Times Square over there. Check it out. Hello, yeah. So, tumabi muna ako kasi I don't like those buses. Like, if they hit you, you kind of get close or closer to them, you might get, you know, grazed. As you can see, humaharurot. Mga tao pag nabangga ako na dyan, kawawa ako eh. Well, sanay ako dito kasi dito ako nag-work sa lugar na to. So guess what, uwi na lang ako kasi maraming loko eh, maraming mga loko sa gabi, kaya nga nag-alisan yung mga gabi ko nun kasi mga baliw, maraming baliw na naghahanap ng gulo, you know what I mean? Totoo yun. So next time
After the day was done, just went to the fast food restaurant.